How to post a job on Facebook. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So Facebook removed the dedicated jobs tabs in many areas during the year 23 to 24. However, you can still advertise jobs through your Facebook business page using regular posts or by linking to external applications. So first of all, you need to go ahead and create a Facebook business page and switch your account to the page. Or you can go to facebook.com/pages/create and create a new page. After you fill up all the information about your page, you can go ahead and create a job post, which is a manual method. Since the official jobs feature is limited, you can use a standard post. So go to business page. Simply go ahead and write your job post, including job title, location, type, either it's full-time, part-time, or contract. You can also mention the salary if you want, include responsibilities and qualifications, application instructions like send us a message or a link to an application form, and relevant image, and then tap on next in the bottom to boost this post to get more messages. So toggle the option, then tap on post. Now you will be taken to the boost post option. Tap on I accept. And here in this page, you need to choose your target audience, location, age, interest, and set a budget and duration for the boosted post. Add a call to action button like apply now or send message, and then click on boost to start the advertisement. After that, check for the comments and messages for potential applicants and reply to the inquiries, schedule interviews, or provide application links. If you're using sites like Indeed, Workable, or your own company careers page, you can create a post on your Facebook page with the job description, include a link to apply on the external site, and you'll be done. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.